Okay, so my name is Kennedy, and I think my mom, Jada, or Makayla's gonna ruin the family vacation. My name is Jada, and I think that
I'm getting it in 15 minutes. Mom. Here.
I think that they are gonna ruin the family trip. Yeah, I think that my mom and dad are gonna ruin the family trip. Actually, I got two theories. If my mom and dad gonna ruin the family trip because they're gonna argue, or I'm gonna ruin the family trip because everybody gonna get on my nerves, and then I'm gonna get a stink attitude, and then I'm gonna shut it all down. So yeah. So I guess our flight's overbooked, y'all, and they offering $600 gift cards for 2 people, $600 each for 2 people to take the next flight at 6 o'clock. It's giving man of that. But actually, I'm kind of thinking about it. If I wasn't with my family, I would have definitely did it. Those are ugly. But I would definitely do that. Like, that's 2 trips at least, or 1 big trip. Like, baby, what? If you catch your flights and not feelings, that's a steal. People not bustling up there. The man next to me, I was like, $600. I'm finna take that. He got up, y'all. He got up. It's a businessman. He got like his bags and stuff right there. But I'm like, I'm finna skedaddle, y'all. I'll Uber to that Airbnb. Alright guys, so we have arrived in Orlando. We're in the airport. I'm about to show y'all what it's looking like. Bahama breeze. I'm sure they got them down here though.
The schedule busy, my dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they.
Alright y'all, so we just arrived at the Airbnb. I know I'm breaking out, but let's just ignore it. But I'm about to just give y'all a tour. I'm not gonna talk y'all through it. I'm just gonna do like a B-roll. And yeah, so if y'all ready, if you wanna see where we staying, then just stay tuned.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pay what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make the rest, gonna finish you. Charge me a tour like a voodoo. Real dope, boy, $100 in the Fizu. President's attention, I buy, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the ages. Men Dre out the top, and they go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, but I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, $100, they make them go crazy. Wham. Look, baby, brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can come, leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog. When you're living like that, they supposed to hey. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes, no starch. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on
Update y'all, we are in Walmart. We got checked in to the Airbnb. Y'all saw I did a little tour or whatever, but now we in Walmart getting a few groceries. I got my cheese balls because cheese balls is life. But y'all, look at this Walmart. Like, it is insane. I don't know if y'all can see it for real, but the line is just wrapped through the whole Walmart. Like, it's ridiculous. This must be the only Walmart they have around here because there's so many people in here. But yeah, we're getting ready to check out. We're gonna order pizza, so I'll show y'all what we eat for dinner. But right now, that's what we're doing. And yeah, I hate to keep popping in and popping out, but that's really what we're doing right now. It's only $1. Dad gonna want one?
Yes.
But smoothie right here. Simply smoothie. They only $1. You can't beat that. I'm about to get this because I don't like to eat no more of those. So. But I'm about to stock up on the snacks. You already know. I'm a midnight snacker. But yeah. Let me put y'all down with us. Ew, they got fruity cereal Kit Kats.
I thought Daddy was gonna be the first one.
This is disgusting. Everything ain't meant to be food. I need to get my cord out. They got my beef jerky that I like. I like the hot and spicy. Hot and spicy, that's the only kind. And I don't like this brand right here. This brand is trash. Hot and spicy, and I like to do the Jack Link's brand there. That's where it's at. But yeah, we got to check out and stuff, so I'm gonna let y'all be, and then I'll be back. It's the next day, guys, and we're all Dad, keep pausing, I'm vlogging. And we're that ain't nothing. That's right there. Every link that we pass, it says that there's alligators and snakes and stuff in there, so you know, watch out. But yeah, I'm about to put some fire pictures. I'm about to put them in a group chat. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. Every time I'm getting ready to post a picture, if my lashes messing up, then just ignore. I'm getting ready to rip these hoes off, and I'm about to put some shades on. Anyways, but yeah, Dad, it gotta be all the way off. But if you really, I forgot what I was getting ready to say. Anyways, we're at the outlet, and cause my mom really wants to go to Gucci. This is the Nike factory that we're passing right now. They got Gap, True Religion, Polo, Puma, Tumi, DKNY, Nordica, everything you can think of. Yeah. Did you already say who you think is gonna ruin the family trip? He gonna come and do it later. So far, the family trip has been good though. Can't lie. Ken, you already said it yesterday. But we had a little hiccup yesterday when it came to the Airbnb because our hosts weren't answering the phone. Oh my gosh, this lash looks hideous. But yeah, other than that, it's been smooth sailing. We go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow because tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow's Sunday, right? Yeah, we'll go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. SeaWorld, or I think Monday. But yeah. The signal out here is trash. I don't know if I just told y'all that, but it's trash. My dad says because T-Mobile ain't got no towers out here, but I don't know what it is about. I don't like it. But yeah, oh, I said I was getting ready to post this video. My attention span is, these pictures on Instagram. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably insert like pics. Don't see my mom and dad. I know I'll be all over the place though, for real. Like I got ADHD. Wait, this is mom. Hey y'all. See that. They acting shy right now, but anyways, when we get out, I'll let y'all know what we finna be up to. Y'all, it's so freaking hot out here at these outlets, and there's so many people. I know y'all see it. Lines is long. Nike lines. Way out here. Stores up there, like, no. No! Then you can't even get nothing to drink, a smoothie, food, a little snacky snack, nothing, because all of those lines are long too. It's just like, it's a no for me. Get me out of here. Y'all know I like sweating. So now we gotta go to Bahama Breeze to pig out, period, because your girl is hungry. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I wish that I was lying to y'all when I said I'm tired and that it's hot as balls out here. I wouldn't wish this heat on my worst enemy. It's ridiculous, like seriously. But yeah, it's making me tired talking to y'all. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to Bahama Breeze. So later, losers.
Who do I think is going to ruin the Harvey family vacation? Let me think. I don't think anyone is going to ruin it. This is the first of many Harvey family vacations. We are all going to enjoy and have a good time. I was going to choose somebody, but I really don't think it's going to be anybody. We're going to have a good time, a good trip. It's just hot. People are hot, but in all, we're going to have a good trip. Nobody's going to ruin it.
Hey y'all, we at Bahama Breeze. Somebody just set up their camera.
Oh, we got it.
Dang, can you get in the clip?
One water?
Oh, you can't really see. My parents went to the bathroom. I was good.
I'm now the leader of the group. I gotta hold it down.
You never even said he thought it was gonna ruin the trip.
I don't think nobody gonna ruin the trip.
Lies.
I think
I'm having a good
Y'all want
time.
me to tell you what I told them?
I'm gonna ruin the family.
I said I thought mom and dad was gonna ruin the trip because they're gonna start arguing and then everybody was gonna get off. But then I was like, nah, it actually might be me because everybody gonna get on my nerves. Then I'm gonna start being crazy and then everybody gonna be mad. But then I was like, I hope nobody wants to.
Everybody done got aggravated.
I said-
once except
Yeah.
for me. Except I'm the only one who ain't been aggravated.
Dude, yesterday you was having a whole pouting party.
No, I was not.
Yes, you was. You was, I'm hungry.
All I said was I was hungry.
Then you tried to steal my room.
Listen, she is
Mama told me what you was
5'2".
saying about me.
She is 5'2",
Listen, y'all,
and when the king bad, I am
when we took the
6'3".
Airbnb in the chat, he said, please let me get the downstairs room. He got the downstairs room and then he wasn't satisfied. So he tried to take my room.
Look, in my defense, the bed looked way bigger when we was looking online.
You gotta take it. What you get.
So, I mean, I'm 6'3", 6'4". She
So was your
5'2".
feet hanging off?
Huh?
Was your feet hanging off?
Almost.
No.
No. My toes is hanging off the bed. I promise you, my toes is hanging. It's all good though. Look, I'm always the one taking the L for the fam. I thug it out.
No.
I'm gonna do it once again.
We always, no. Don't let him
I'm gonna do
lie.
it once again.
Don't let him lie to the vlog. We always make accommodation for Jamari because he's the only boy, so he
That's
always gets what
cap.
he wants.
That's cap.
And he's a mama's boy, and mama always be like, nice baby. So yeah. Jamari said he always got to take the L for the family. He always gets the short end of the stick because he didn't get the bed he wants. No, Jamari is the
Look, I am 6'3", she 5'2", in a king
his
bed.
toes hanging out the bed.
I will say
Because Jamari, so yeah. But the fact that Jamari is a mama's boy, and you always be like, my only son, you and dad. So Jamari gets everything.
I don't get everything.
We also discussed that Jada said she was upset because she went to alcohol and then not a baby.
All right.
First of all, let me clear this up. Jamari, when I made post as my one and only, it was reversed and we had
didn't even
three
talk about the
boys.
post.
No, but I just need to make that clear. It does not signify a favorite. It simply is stating we have one son
See? Exactly.
and three daughters. It is a true statement. He's our one and only.
A virgin strawberry daiquiri.
Virgin strawberry. Thank you.
You got a burden?
I got Richard. I don't want to drink today. Damn,
Pretty
legal.
much the exact same thing.
Okay.
I just learned that.
Oh, that is when we got ours.
Y'all know what that is.
Virgin, this is underage.
I got that drink in my cup.
Okay.
Mine is.
Hold on, why we got the same drink?
It's the icing.
You got a burden.
That's for your drink.
Y'all know what y'all ordering now.
Oh wait, so let me tell y'all who I thought.
We gotta order things.
Yeah, we also discussed if we thought it was ruined them.
You guys get a minute?
No, Makayla, you only told
I
one.
guess it was me.
Actually, no.
Was it?
It was you and Dad as a collector. My vote was mom and dad because they was going to argue, and then it's going to make everybody agree. Then I said me because everybody got on my nerves and I'm going to ruin it.
Alright, my turn. I said I thought Jayla, Makayla, or Mama would ruin the trip.
It's always the girls.
Mama. Mama. I said
We're not doing this on the camera. Gotta go.
Which one she should do? They do a real prayer if you want to pray, right? Okay.